True or false? In Nuer culture, we often call someone by their father's name as a sign of respect. It shows lineage, identity, and honor. The answer is A. True. Why do Nuer people sometimes call someone by their father's name? The answer is C. As a sign of respect. If someone's name is Nyapwat Duop, how might you respectfully address her? The answer is B. Nyadup. What does this naming style mainly show? The answer is C. Family lineage. If someone's father is called Galwag, how might you respectfully address the son? The answer is A. Gat Galwag.